Guys, I'm really sorry for the background music because of the Durga Puja, and you can see how beautiful hairstyle is done. You can see a tiny curls in my hair without using any heating iron. So let's move on the makeup. Guys, I'm using Milani foundation, Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade medium beige. I'm using one pump. मैं यहाँ पे यूज करूँगी मेबलिन का फाउंडेशन ब्रश. सबसे पहले मैं अपने फाउंडेशन को अपने पूरे फेस पे अप्लाई कर लूँगी, इंक्लूडिंग नेक. और इसको सर्कुलर मोशन में अप्लाई करूँगी अपने फुल ऑल ओवर फेस. Guys, right now for set my face I'm using Fit Loose powder and I'm using powder brush from Maybelline. Before foundation you have to prep your skin. I'm already prepped my skin using toner, moisturizer and primer. So that's why I'm not repeating that step again. For my eyebrow I'm using Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. First of all I am brush my eyebrow. I'm filling my eyebrow very lightly because already I have really thick eyebrow. My upper and lower waterline. This eyeshadow on my lower of the eyelid first and then blend well. Right now I'm using this second shade number is 02. And I'm taking same brown shade on my brush. Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara. So guys, this is a final eye makeup look how I created. This is really easy to do. You can see how beautiful it is.